This site is located in the southeastern region of Trinidad and involved the construction of a retaining wall. The challenge the main contractor encountered was an oversaturated soil. This posed complications in meeting the requirements to complete an augured pile. As a result, an alternative design was applied using helical piles. PFWI Engineering conducted field investigations to determine the optimum depth at which the piles should be installed. Our designed helical pile comprises two helices, a 16-inch and a 20-inch, with a total length of 28 feet. PFWI Engineering successfully carried out the fabrication of the helical piles and pile caps locally, resulting in considerable time and cost savings for the client. Rigorous quality control measures were implemented to ensure the highest standards were maintained. The fabrication of the 24 piles and associated pile caps was completed within 2 weeks. Using our specialized equipment, a total of 435 feet of helical piles were installed within 2 days, allowing us to immediately proceed to the next phase of the project. The key benefit of using PFWI Engineering Services as the contractor of choice is our ability to provide design engineering service, fabrication, installation, and assurance reports, indicating the load-bearing capacities of the installed helical piles.